the part where people are going to start jumping out in front of the bike to stop you and get you to park with them like this. Cool. Damn, look at that lotus. White lotus. We've got pink. Not as bad as last time.
Blow the whistle.
Didn't see old mate in his like fake police uniform like last time. Is this a pay or is this what we're here? Well, no one's followed us in, so. For two? Two. What do we got? What's that? 30. 30? 30. Got it?
Do a small stuff.
Yeah. There's some singles. You want to get some singles? Hang on with that. Got a 200?
Yeah.
I'll give you 100. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello team, welcome back to a new video.
Just arrived here at the Mua or the Mua Cave.
All of it pretty much.
Yeah.
Mua, all of it.
Surrounded by an enormous lotus lake, which we're going to have a drone fly around in a second. They've got those little Instagram spots all the way around, so it's probably going to piss off a few people with the drone buzzing around.
Yeah, and I think the jetty, the walkway through the lake is in the shape of a lotus. I'm pretty sure.
We'll get the drone all the way up and have a look.
So I guess from the viewpoint, or the drone, you'll see both of that. So there's the cave, there's the dragon viewpoint, and the lotus lake, all at this one location.
Yeah.
100,000 BND.
For entry. Parking not included. So you would have seen in a couple of those clips, as we're coming down those roads there, people are trying to stop you left, right and centre, trying to get you to park at their spot because it's actually their private property that they're going to charge you to park there. You got to just drive straight through those. We ended up going to one of them, but it was the closest one to the entrance here, literally right next door.
Yeah. But yeah, you can park anywhere along there. They're all going to sting you for the same amount of money. Some of them might let you get away with free parking if you buy food or drink at their outlet. But
yeah, but what you don't want to do...
It depends if you care about walking or not. If you don't care about walking,
yeah,
then you can park anywhere.
Yeah, but don't give in to the guys that look like they're dressed like police officers or security officers with a hat and whistle.
Yeah, they'll wave at you, put your hands up, tell you to stop. They'll have a whistle, anything to get you to stop at their place, pretty much.
Yeah, but they're not cops, they're not security, they're not nothing. Just go past them if you want to go past them, or if you want to stop at their place and pay them, it's just a bit of a walk down to the entrance. Anyway, let's go check out this amazing looking place, and we're just in time too because the sun is setting. We might get the best view that the best possible view that we could have hoped for.
It is pretty cloudy, but you want some clouds when you get the sunset because you want that reflection off it. But it's probably a little bit more clouds than the sky at the moment. So we'll see how we go.
All right,
let's go.
So you can see it is very touristy in here. Tons of coffee shops, snack shops, drink shops. Oh, hang on. That looks like... oh, could be one of the platforms. Oh, another one over here. Oh, Dallas has fallen behind.
We pan round to the right here. You'll see the majority of this field is full of lotus. Not sure what Farmer Nguyen here is doing. We likely pretty much have to cut this Lotus Lake short because the sun is going down quickly and the mountains make that very, very challenging. So, because there's mountains in the way, you've got to plan, I don't know, maybe an hour and a half before the official sunset to account for the height of the mountains. And we've still got a huge hike to go, so I think we'll have to cut this short and head straight up to the hike. Yeah, we'll play it by ear.
So we've got the Lying Dragon Mountain, which is up these stairs here, and then that's the cave. Ho Tiger Cave. Not a ho, maybe it's a ho. Tiger Cave. Dragon Mountain.
Dong Hong.
Yeah.
The dong is hung.
Yeah, let's just leave it there and start climbing, yeah?
This is what we look like just as the stair climb starts. Yeah. By the time we get to the top, we'll probably look like we're the Walking Dead. Completely wet, dripping with sweat. Let's see how this goes. Oh, just a short way up, I'm already out of breath. And that view already over the Lotus Pond. Wow. JC didn't care to stop for the view. Okay, we're in the fork of the stairs, already contemplating life's decisions. Be that good or bad. Oh, when you run fit, it really takes its toll. Oh. Anyway, I'm pretty sure the dragon's behind me, so I'm going that way first. Let's go. Oh, I went the wrong way. Dragon's on the other hilltop. Got the view here over Tam Cốc. Oh, next level. Check this out. But wow, what a view. Okay, other mountain, let's go. Almost dying. Temple in the background. Dragon's up this way. But I'm going to get there. How about this? I'm on the dragon. Can you see that view? That way. And that way is epic. Let's have a look. I'll go the other side of the dragon. It's hard work to get up here, but the view, next level. It's a rugged track. Cliffside along this dragon.
There we have it.
I'm wrecked. Even coming down, I'm still wrecked. Look at the colour on my shirt. That dark tinge, that's wet. Completely wet.
Well, that is the Lying Dragon top here at the Mua Cave, or the Mua Hung Mua.
Yeah. And I can say that I conquered the dragon on top.
Well, I was busy filming with the drone from the platform.
Because you didn't want to climb any more stairs.
That's another reason for me wanting to fly the drone. Yes.
It was good. Epic views that way, epic views that way. Money can't buy. The ticket is money well worth spent.
You want to try that again? Money can't buy.
Yeah, I guess it didn't make sense, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Don't be stingy and say, oh, I don't want to buy the ticket.
Yeah.
It's 100,000.
Yeah, 100,000, well worth it, definitely. If you're a fan of hikes, this is definitely a great one and a great exercise. The stairs are a little bit steep in places, and once you get past a certain level, they turn into basically rocks.
Yeah, and if you don't like hikes, but you like epic views,
Come
do it anyway and just take longer to get there, like we did.
But we've got the perfect view here with the sun setting. You can see the background of the city of Ninh Binh behind us. In front is the sunset over the mountains, which is gone, or almost gone now. Unfortunately, won't get any more good sunset views for today, so we're going to sign out, leave it there. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you loved the sights and the amazing drone footage that we're
spending all this energy for you.
All for you. Give us that thumbs up, just as an encouragement for us to do it next time.
Don't just share it with your friends and share it with your mum. Share it with everybody.
Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you next.
See ya.